Hey guys, today we're gonna play on play.vector.net. So today we're on play.vector.net and giving away plus rank. So basically, all we're doing today is we're gonna kill that Reaper, and we're gonna link our faction. Comment down below and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll invite you to my faction. So today we are gonna kill this Reaper. Well, I'm very bad at it, but why does it attack me for no reason? Wait. Yes, I'm all set. I'm all set for this Reaper, if I don't want to die. So okay, I've got Gapples. Because this does hurt if you don't have something good on. Yeah. Oh my god, he just stole it. Wow. He just stole my kill. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the best strat of all. Kill this when no one comes. Just gap it and you do this and people can't hurt it properly. Guys, I killed it, but it was a bit laggy there. So I've got 2 Reaper crates. So I'm warping to crates now. I've got loading golden apples and I've got 5 hoppers. Decent, but I would want some more Reaper gear. Oh, that's getting low. Spawn this. I'll put some more gaps away. So bad. I'll put 32 in there so I can sell them later. So guys, leave down in the comments what I can do for my videos, and bye!